If you're seeing a Lucidchart Workspace permission denied error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens because of the wrong account, a browser problem, or missing permissions in the workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check each one and get back into your Lucidchart document. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common cause, account mismatch. A lot of the time, people are signed into the wrong Google, Microsoft, or Apple account without realizing it. So go ahead and sign out of all active accounts in your browser first, then sign back in using only the email address that was invited to the Lucidchart Workspace, or the one linked to your team or enterprise account. This step matters because Lucidchart may deny access even if you have an account, simply because you are logged into the wrong one. If you're still getting permission denied, the next thing to try is your browser. Old cookies, cached data, or even extensions can interfere with Lucidchart loading correctly. Open an Incognito or private window and try logging in there. If the document opens in Incognito, that's a strong sign the issue is with your browser data. In that case, go back to your regular browser settings, open privacy and security, then clear your browsing data. Make sure you select cookies and site data, plus cached images and files, and set the time range to all time. Then delete the data and reload Lucidchart. Now, let's check permissions inside the workspace itself. If you are signed into the correct account and the browser is fine, you may simply not have the right role. Ask the document owner to confirm your sharing permissions. In many cases, the problem is that your access was set to viewer instead of editor, or your permissions were changed accidentally. If you're part of a team or enterprise workspace, ask the administrator to verify that your account is still active and that you have not been removed or restricted by workspace settings. If you still cannot open the file from the shared link, try a direct workaround. Sign into Lucidchart first, then go to your documents list or the shared with me folder and open the file from there instead of using the original link. Sometimes shared links can cause access issues even when the file is available in your account. So to recap, the best fixes are: confirm you're using the correct account, test in Incognito, clear your cache and cookies, verify your sharing permissions, and try opening the file directly from Lucidchart. One of these steps usually solves the permission denied problem quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix Lucidchart Workspace permission denied, please give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want more step-by-step software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.